Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kiravat from LEXIS and Company. Today we're going to talk about the unlawful assembly. So, Chapter 8 of the Indian Penal Code contains provisions relating to unlawful assembly. The offences of unlawful assembly is cognizable but bailable. So, let's talk about the definition of unlawful assembly. Section 141 defines unlawful assembly. To explain it, unlawful assembly is an assembly of 5 or more persons with a common object to commit any of the 5 objects mentioned under Section 141. So, what are those 5 subjects or objects? A group of 5 or more persons become an unlawful assembly only if the object of such assembly is to intimidate the government by the use of criminal force, resist the execution of law or legal process, commit offences like mischief, criminal trespass, possess or dispossess any property by use of criminal force, use criminal force to compel a person to do an illegal act. Now, the examples of unlawful assembly are: A and 4 of his friends decided to protest against a government policy to ban alcohol. It is not an unlawful assembly if they are protesting, sitting silently and showing their displeasure. Suppose they decide to destroy public property to intimidate the government for their decision. In that case, all 5 of them are part of unlawful assembly and will be liable to punishment under the Indian Penal Code. Section 149 of the IPC clearly states that if an offence is committed to prosecuting a common object, then every member of unlawful assembly sharing such object will be guilty of it. I hope you are pretty much clear with the concept of unlawful assembly. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.